Delivering some Christmas cards. Turn right this way. This way. There you go. Awesome. You got it. You got it. You're learning. You're learning. Woohoo! Awesome. Thank you, sweetheart. Ding, ding, ding. Sai is on. Ding, 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 ding. Size is on the way.
But this doesn't match?
Ding, 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 ding. Size is on his way. Excuse me.
Ooh!
Uh-oh. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh.
Doing a good job, son.
Yeah, you need to tie them up, babe, because the handle is moving.
Okay. I'll do that before you leave.
Ding, 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 ding. Size is on his way. Woohoo! Keep going. Keep going. Wow. Sai, you wanna open your presents? Okay, come on. This one is from Rory. You can open from Kuya Rory. That one is from Kuya Rory. Go ahead and open. You need help? Here, darling. There you go. Here. There you go. Oh, nice! Magnetic tabletop easel. What are you gonna say to Kuya Rory? Thank you, Kuya Rory and Tita Marcel and Tita Richard and Selena. Okay, this one is from Ate Pristine and Tita Mitz. I wanna open? Okay. It's a plate that you can make faces with your food. What are you gonna say? Thank you, Ate Pristine and Tita Mitz. That one is from, I'm not sure, oh, from Tita Teresa. That's from Tita Teresa. Tita, do you think it is? Wow, what is that? Later, we all need to open these presents first and then we can open that. Oh, this one is from Brayden and Dawson. What are you gonna say to Tita Teresa? Tita. Thank you, Tita. You say Tita. Tita. Thank you. Tita. 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 Thank you, Tita. Oh! Wow! What is that? Wow! Adventure Force! Oh, wow! Wow! Okay, you go open first. Dali. You go unwrap everything. a motorcycle. What is that? Motor cycle. Open. We open later. Okay. Yeah. Last one. I think that's from Tita Teresa again. I think that. Alright. Go ask Daddy for battery. You gotta say, please, Daddy. Okay, let's open this. We're gonna open the Zoo Adventure ball pit. Is a ball pit. Pit. Yay! Come here, sit down. This is from Tita Teresa. Are you excited? Yes. Oh, so cool. Yeah, we gotta go open this. Now you wanna go inside? Yeah, we wanna go inside and obstruct the door. Yay! Are you ready for this? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! We need a lot of balls for this one, Daddy.
Yeah, you sure want more balls.
Yeah, it's gonna. Do you like it in there? Yes. Okay, yung what else we want? The dinosaur book? This one? Okay. How about this one? We open this tomorrow. Okay, we open this tomorrow. Let's open this tomorrow. Hi, Sai. Oh, Sai got a mini swimming pool. Is that your swimming pool? Sai, is that your swimming pool? Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Whoa! 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 That's loud. All right. Go. Whoa! Is it awesome? Oh, what happened? See what's gonna do. Bam, bam, bam. What are you at? Oh no. Look at Oreo. Were you scared of it?